welcome back to my Unity Open World tutorial series. So in this episode we are going to see, instead of snapping the movement speed, I am going to increase the speed of this character gradually, like this. So once I stop it, he will stop slowly, and when I start moving, he will start moving. He will accelerate gradually. So at the moment there is some kind of a stuttering. That's because of some animation mismatch in the blend tree. I will fix that later. For now, I'll show you how to gradually increase the speed and decrease it when he stops. So at the moment, when I press move button, you can see no speed difference. It directly changed the speed without any kind of gradual acceleration. So same happens when I change from walking to running. The change is too drastic, so it's harsh. So I'm going to, instead of doing it that way, I'm going to give a smooth transition in speed. So let's see how to do that. Okay, so this is my character movement script, and right, so here let me define a new variable. So here I have public float variable max speed. So I'll define a new private variable, private float smooth speed. And initial value should be 0. Well, I don't have to do that because by default it will have the value 0. So then instead of this max speed, I'll use smooth speed for both places. And here I'll lerp smooth speed equals lerp. How do I do lerp? math.lerp smooth speed, and the target is max speed, and the time dot delta time. Let's refine this value later. So if this happens, if the velocity magnitude is larger than 0, if it is else, I'll do this. I'll change back the smooth speed to 0. Okay, right, now shall we see what happens now. Well, my legs stuttered a little bit, that because the mismatches in the animations of the blend tree I have used. Now if I stop running, he did stop, but that was a little too fast. See, let me check why is that. Alright, so I use this get velocity to control the velocity parameter of my animator, which controls the blend tree. So let's see, where do I have this get velocity? It's in the character. Okay, here I directly get the magnitude of the velocity. Let me check. Okay, this returns the rigid body velocity, so no, it doesn't answer the question why it stops suddenly. Alright, I know why. So yeah, in the play input, in the update, wait, not here, maybe in here. Oh no, here. Where do I get the input for the moment? Alright, here. So here I add moment input. So yeah, let's go to that function. So here what I do is I set the velocity of the character moment component directly. So yeah, now even though this smooth speed decreased gradually, my velocity is suddenly becomes 0. So that's the problem. Okay, so then what should I do is, well, maybe instead of setting it directly, what if I ignore that? No, let me add a curly brace so it will be clear. So instead of value, so it was value before, do I have any errors if I do it like that? Yeah, I get errors. So should I put it before this? No, I can't do it. Okay, yeah, let me do it like this. I'll put this part inside here. So this will be applied only if the magnitude of the velocity is higher. So shall we check what happens now? Now he keeps running and stops. Alright, so that's better. So maybe to prevent stuttering, this is what I have to do. In here, as you can see, as I gradually increase the speed, this is the problem. This is where the problem occurs. So I'm not 100% sure how to fix this, but I need to do some research. So yeah, let's fix it tomorrow. And for now I'll stop at this point. So to decrease the way we see the stuttering, I'll increase the speed of lerping, maybe in 4 times, so we will see less of that. Let's see. Okay, it's not gone yet, but I'll research on how to fix that, and I'll stop this episode at this point. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link could be in the description below, and I'll release another source code episode, so source code release soon. And yeah, see you in the next episode. Goodbye.